Hi there. In this video, we're going to have a look at how we can set up products in Oveit Pay as a vendor and manage categories, products, and start selling. As you can see right here, in my Oveit Pay products section, you can see I have my two categories. One of them is beverages and the other one is food. And as you can see, there's a bunch of products right here that I've set up earlier. If you want to set up your own product, you press the new product section in each of the category, and at that point you can add a photo, a name, and a price, and these are going to be displayed in the setup menu as well as the vendor mobile app. As you can see right here, I have three dots that are showing up on my screen once I hover over the product photo. If I press them, I can actually edit the product or move to another category. So if I want to move the bottle of Coca-Cola from beverages to food, I can press move to category and select food. So that's pretty much it. Now, if I want to reorder the products, I have a button right here in the right hand side bottom of the screen. And if I press it, the new product button disappears, and I can drag and drop the products to rearrange them in the order that I actually want. Once I'm done, I press save again, and that's it. The order has been updated. If I want to add more products in a new category, I press the new category section, and the new category name shows up, and I can start adding products again. Now, in my case, I'm just going to cancel it. It's a new category. And I'm actually going to remove it. So once we've set up the menu for one specific vendors, we can actually browse to other vendors and set the products for themselves again. However, when all of the products are set up, what do we want to do? We can start selling as a vendor. All right, so what we have right here is a simulation of a mobile app for the vendor. Basically, the vendor would have such a device. It's a mobile scanning device, and they will scan either a wearable system or a card. Once we tap it, there's a menu showing up that showcases the products that we have available. You can see on the top side there's three buttons: all, beverages, and food. These are my categories. Right now I've pre-selected food, but if I want to show all of the products, I just tap all, and I can see all of the products that I've set up earlier. All right, so let's say someone walks in and they want to buy 2 bottles of Coca-Cola and a burger. All right, so we tap the product we have right here 2 times, right? Because we want 2 bottles of Coca-Cola, and then we swipe down and tap the burger, and we can tap it again. Maybe you want to add 2 burgers to our order. As you can see, we have this button popping up here which says continue, which means that we're gonna spend $40 on this order, and we have $260 that were previously topped up on our balance. Right? If I press continue, we see a summary of order. The 2 bottles of Coca-Cola, the 2 burgers, which total $40, and then we ask the guest to tap again and confirm the order. At that point, the order is confirmed and the green screen shows up, so we can take the next order. In a nutshell, that's pretty much it. That's how we can operate the vendor menu setup and sell products in Oveit Pay.